Hey there, traders! Welcome back to the channel. It's your prop trading guru here, and today we're diving deep into one of the hottest new firms in the industry, Pip Farm. Launched just a year ago, Pip Farm is making waves with its innovative funding programs and trader-friendly features. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, this video will highlight everything you need to know about Pip Farm, from their unique funding options to their impressive payout structures. So let's get started. 1. What is Pip Farm? Founded June 2023 by James Glide, a former executive at SE Trader. A location, headquartered in Singapore. A focus, offering traders innovative funding solutions with a strong emphasis on risk management. Pip Farm combines experienced leadership with trader-friendly features, aiming to support disciplined and profitable traders. 2. Key features of Pip Farm. Funding programs. 2 unique evaluations. Static evaluation. Account sizes from $5,000 to $200,000. Trailing evaluation. Similar account size range with different loss limits. Static evaluation details. A leverage. Up to 130. Increase to 150 after reaching the 50 XP milestone. Profit target. 12% within 1 year. A loss limits. 3% daily, 6% overall. Trailing evaluation details. Profit target, 12% with a maximum trailing loss of 12%. A leverage, same as static evaluation. Both evaluations provide a structured approach to achieving funding, with realistic profit targets and manageable loss limits. 3. Customizable trading options. Minimum trading days, 3 days to qualify for a funded account. Withdrawal structure. First payout available 3 days after your first trade, with bi-weekly withdrawals. Profit splits. Traders can earn 70% to 95% of their profits based on performance. Pip Farm offers flexibility in withdrawals and profit sharing, catering to traders' individual needs. 4. Unique risk management features. Kill Switch, a tool for managing stop losses and take profits on open positions. Dynamic leverage. Adjust leverage based on exposure, addressing concentration risk effectively. These features enhance risk management, allowing traders to maintain control over their investments. 5. XP feature, rewarding progress. XP system unlocks benefits as traders accumulate XP through successful trading activities. Rank breakdown. Rank 1, 10 XP, 28-day inactivity period. Reduced commissions, weekly payouts. Rank 2, 25 XP, 10% capital boost, lowered payout requirements. Rank 3, 50 XP, increased leverage, no commission fees, free evaluation account. Rank 4, 75 XP, shorter scaling intervals, daily payouts. Rank 5, 100 XP, free $100,000 evaluation account, no minimum payout. The XP system incentivizes traders to engage and excel, making the journey to success more rewarding. 6. Payouts and transparency. Payout process. Easy withdrawals, including provisions to retain profits even after breaches of loss limits. Payment processor. Partnered with Rise for efficient payment processing. Pip Farm ensures a transparent and fair payout process, reinforcing trust among its traders. So, is Pip Farm the right choice for you? With competitive features, a focus on trader success, and a transparent payout structure, it certainly seems promising. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on Pip Farm. Check the description for links to exclusive offers and resources. Until next time, keep trading smart.